Oh, we have a spiced walnut that is a mixture of chili powder, brown sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, roasted in the oven, tossed in a little olive oil. Cherry tomatoes for that tartness, acidity, blue cheese for an earthiness, and of course, the D'Anjou pear. The D'Anjou pear has got a bright, kind of acidic, little bit acidic, not that overwhelmingly fruity. It's got a good color, it's got that green skin. It's just got a lot of snap to it, a lot of vibrancy, kind of like you'd expect it in a Granny Smith apple. So that provides some balance to the dish as well. The lettuce that I've chosen to use in this is the Harvest blend. It is a heartier blend than the typical spring mix, which is the sweet mesclun mix that most people use. And that's because it's gonna have a good bounce, it's gonna hold up, it's gonna kind of be a little more hearty. So, what I'll do is I'll just start with some of this Harvest blend mix, and then we try to arrange it kind of artistically. Well, hopefully not kind of artistically, but artistically. And we'll get the lettuce into the bowl, get these cherry tomatoes. I personally like to arrange things more or less in stripes. So you'll see I'm kind of make a shield and just let things fall into place. And so this dish with its composition of flavors, you go from kind of nutty, earthy to the pungent blue cheese to the acidic snap of the tomato and the pear and the fruitiness there against that hearty lettuce. We'll finish it with our roasted pear vinaigrette, which is a vinaigrette, Dijon mustard, little garlic, red wine vinegar. I use a canola oil and roasted pear. I remember when we first came into town, it really wasn't what people expected, and a lot of people were like, oh, I don't care for blue cheese, I don't care for this. And I said, you know, just try it all together, because you'll find that the flavor migration of all of it together is really something special.